Deep within the emerald embrace of the rainforest, a world of wonder unfolds. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy, casting dappled patterns on the forest floor. Here in this vibrant ecosystem lives a creature of remarkable tranquility, the sloth. Moving with an unhurried grace that belies a world obsessed with speed, the sloth embodies a life lived in slow motion. Its gentle nature and enigmatic smile have captivated the hearts of many, making it a true icon of the rainforest. My first encounter with a sloth was an experience I shall never forget. It was in the heart of the Amazon, where the air hung heavy with humidity. High above, nestled in the crook of a giant kapok tree, a brown-throated sloth clung effortlessly. Its eyes, like dark, glistening beads, observed the world with a serene curiosity. In that moment, I was struck by the sheer peacefulness emanating from this extraordinary creature. It was a profound reminder of the beauty and diversity that our planet holds. The world of sloths is more diverse than one might imagine. While often grouped together, there are in fact two distinct types, the two-toed sloth and the three-toed sloth. Despite their shared love of slowness and penchant for tree-dwelling, these two groups possess subtle yet fascinating differences. Two-toed sloths, as their name suggests, sport 2 claws on their forelimbs, while boasting 3 on their hind limbs. This distinguishes them from their three-toed counterparts, who possess 3 claws on all 4 limbs. This difference might seem trivial, but it hints at the evolutionary paths these creatures have taken. Two-toed sloths are generally larger and tend to have more varied diets, occasionally supplementing their leaf-based meals with fruits and insects. Three-toed sloths, on the other hand, are more specialized, relying almost exclusively on leaves for sustenance. Life in the rainforest canopy presents unique challenges demanding specialized adaptations for survival. Sloths, through millennia of evolution, have become masters of this arboreal realm. Their bodies are a testament to the power of natural selection, sculpted for a life spent hanging upside down. Their claws, for instance, are not merely for show. These powerful appendages act as grappling hooks, allowing sloths to hang effortlessly from branches. Their fur, unlike that of most mammals, grows in the opposite direction, further facilitating their inverted lifestyle. This unique fur growth pattern allows rainwater to run off efficiently, keeping the sloth dry in the often humid rainforest environment. Even their internal anatomy reflects their arboreal existence. Their organs are specially adapted to their upside-down lifestyle, preventing them from being crushed by their own weight. The languid movements of sloths are perhaps their most defining characteristic. This leisurely pace of life is not simply a matter of choice. It is a consequence of their incredibly slow metabolic rate. In fact, sloths have the lowest metabolic rate of any mammal. This incredibly slow metabolism is directly linked to their diet. Leaves, while plentiful in the rainforest canopy, are notoriously low in nutrients and energy. To cope with this, sloths have evolved a digestive system that works with remarkable efficiency, albeit at a snail's pace. It can take weeks for a sloth to fully digest a single leaf, extracting every last bit of energy from it. This slow digestion also contributes to their infrequent need to defecate. Remarkably, a sloth will only descend from its arboreal abode once a week to relieve itself. Section 5. A leafy banquet, the diet of nature's slowest herbivores. The rainforest canopy, with its lush greenery, provides a bountiful buffet for its herbivorous inhabitants. Among them, sloths stand out for their highly specialized diet, relying almost entirely on leaves for sustenance. This preference for leaves, while seemingly restrictive, is a testament to their remarkable adaptation to their environment. Their teeth, like those of many herbivores, are specifically designed for grinding tough plant matter. Unlike most mammals, sloths lack incisors, relying instead on their tough lips to pull leaves into their mouths. Their molars, however, are highly developed, capable of grinding leaves into a pulp. This process is aided by the constant churning of their multi-chambered stomachs, where specialized bacteria work tirelessly to break down the tough cellulose in leaves. Section 6. Raising young in the canopy, the cycle of sloth life. Life in the rainforest canopy, while serene, is not without its perils. For a creature as seemingly vulnerable as the sloth, raising young requires careful strategies and a strong maternal bond. Sloth mothers, despite their slow-paced lifestyle, are dedicated caregivers, ensuring their offspring have the best possible start in life. After a gestation period of several months, a sloth mother will give birth to a single, helpless infant. The baby sloth, clinging tightly to its mother's fur, will spend the next few months nursing and learning the ways of the canopy. The mother, in turn, will fiercely protect her offspring from predators, using her sharp claws and surprising strength to fend off any threats. As the young sloth grows, it gradually begins to explore its surroundings, venturing further and further from its mother's side. By the time it reaches adulthood, a sloth is fully equipped to navigate the challenges of life in the rainforest canopy. Section 7. Ancient Giants, unearthing the legacy of sloth ancestry. The sloths we know today, while fascinating in their own right, are but a whisper of a bygone era. Their ancestors, the giant ground sloths, once roamed the Americas, reaching sizes that dwarf their modern-day relatives. These behemoths, some as large as elephants, played a significant role in shaping the ecosystems they inhabited. Fossil evidence paints a vivid picture of these ancient giants. Megatherium, one of the largest ground sloth genera, possessed massive claws, presumably used for stripping leaves from trees or digging for roots. Unlike their modern descendants, giant ground sloths were primarily terrestrial, their size making life in the trees impractical. Their extinction, believed to be linked to a combination of climate change and human hunting, marked the end of an era for these gentle giants. Section 8. Guardians of the ecosystem, the unsung importance of sloths. In the intricate tapestry of the rainforest, every creature, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, plays a vital role. Sloths, with their unhurried lifestyle and peculiar habits, are no exception. They are, in fact, crucial to the health and balance of this vibrant ecosystem. Their slow movement and low body temperature make them ideal hosts for a variety of algae and insects. These organisms, in turn, provide camouflage for the sloth, helping it blend seamlessly into the dappled light of the canopy. Furthermore, sloths play a crucial role in nutrient cycling. Their infrequent trips to the forest floor to defecate deposit vital nutrients back into the soil, enriching the ecosystem as a whole. Section 9. On the brink, the plight of sloths in a changing world. The rainforest, once a sanctuary for countless species, now faces an unprecedented threat. Deforestation, driven by human activity, is rapidly shrinking the habitat of countless creatures, including the iconic sloth. As trees fall silent, so too do the voices of the forest, urging us to take action. Habitat loss is not the only danger facing sloths. The illegal pet trade, fueled by the exotic pet industry, further endangers these gentle creatures. Torn from their natural environment, sloths often suffer from stress, malnutrition, and inadequate care. The plight of sloths serves as a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of life on Earth and the urgent need for conservation efforts. Section 10. A call to action safeguarding the future of nature's gentle marvels. The time to act is now. The future of sloths, and indeed the countless species that call the rainforest home, depends on our collective efforts to protect this invaluable ecosystem. By raising awareness, supporting sustainable practices, and advocating for stricter conservation measures, we can make a difference. Support organizations dedicated to sloth conservation, educate yourself and others about the importance of rainforests and the threats they face. Make conscious choices as consumers, opting for products that do not contribute to deforestation. Every action, no matter how small, can contribute to a brighter future for sloths and the irreplaceable ecosystems they inhabit. Let us ensure that these gentle marvels continue to grace our planet for generations to come.